Hi guys, this is Suf again at Autostyle and Ghost Immobilisers Northwest. We've just completed another Ghost installation on a Ford Focus Mark III. This has actually got the Ghost 2 immobiliser in it, which is one of the new ones. I'll show it you working. So firstly, we've got the key. We've unlocked the car. All we've got in. We're going to try to start the car up. So press the start button and it does nothing. There's lots of clicking going on in the fuse box. It doesn't do anything at all. Now if I put the ignition on without pressing any of the pedals and I punch the cord in, just keep an eye on the screen there. You'll see the hazard lights flash twice. You can ignore all the fault codes because they'll disappear as soon as you start the engine. And there you go, that's the car started again. All up and running. For more information, get in touch with Autostyle or Ghost Immobiliser Northwest, or you can contact us on 01254 427 887. Thank you.